Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be deep cleaning these floors. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And clicking the like button and full watching the video, this helps me to grow. And then commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now I am using some pine sol. I forgot to show you. I put some pine sol in the water and this is what we're cleaning the floor. It smells so good. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.